Hello everyone! Let's make a zebra faceplate today with these materials. First, out of white cardboard, draw and cut out 2 zebra ears as shown. Make sure to flip the first piece over when using it to cut out the next piece so they are mirror images of each other. Do the same for cutting out black ears, but make them smaller than the white pieces. Then glue the black ears in the middle of the white ears. Next, take a blank white paper plate and draw 2 eyes on the inside of the plate, near the edge. Then, color them in. Glue the 2 ears to underneath the rim of the plate, above the 2 eyes. Next, cut a strip of paper about 5 cm in width from the black paper and cut thin fringes in it. Gather them together into a bushy tuft and glue it to the top of the head, underneath the rim of the plate. Then using a black marker, draw 3 stripes on each side of the zebra's face and color them in with rich black ink. Make sure they're pointy. Lastly, cut out a large rounded triangle from the black paper and paste it to the very bottom of the zebra's face as shown. Using a white marker, or anything producing white pigment, draw in 2 nostrils as shown. And color them in. And smile. And you're ready to shimmy around. Thank you for watching Color Our World Event. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.